normal. That tends to happen in late May here in East Texas. But as we look outside, we're fine. No showers and thunderstorms to speak of in Tyler or Longview today, and we're going to continue to remain dry for the majority of the next 24 hours. However, there's a little chance of rain as we move into tomorrow afternoon. We'll discuss that here in just a little bit, but mostly clear skies expected for tonight, so those temperatures will be allowed to fall into the 60s. We're in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Look at that. Tyler Pounds Airport at 90 now. It is 88 in Jacksonville, 85 in Lufkin. It's also humid. Dew points are in the middle to upper 60s. As we look at tonight, we're down to 67 degrees. We will see mostly clear skies for tomorrow. About as warm, if not a degree or two warmer than what we saw this afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon will be in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Longview has a very good chance of reaching the 90-degree mark. I've got them at 91 for that high. We do have a little bit of rain in the area, but it's not necessarily over East Texas. It's in deep East Texas over the Sam Rayburn Lake, but most of those showers have since dissipated over the last hour or so. Okay, let's go ahead and check out Futurecast. A couple of showers possible over the next couple of hours, but by midnight, we are done with the rain. Mostly clear skies from midnight until 7 o'clock in the morning. We'll start to see those clouds increase, though, as we begin to add some of that daytime heating and that instability to the air. Watch what happens between noon and 1. A couple of bubble-up showers are possible, kind of like what they were today. This is noontime, but the same area that saw those rain chances today will see the rain chances tomorrow. A couple of bubble-up showers and thunderstorms. Granted, this is at noon, and we will continue to see those showers trying to pop up throughout the course of tomorrow afternoon and evening, but most of us done with any sort of rain chances by 9 o'clock. And then those clouds will begin to move out, kind of like what they are going to do a little later on this evening. Now, some of y'all are probably thinking, man, it's really dry. It's been dry the last 30 or so days, and then a lot of you don't know what I'm talking about because, well, you've seen a lot of rain over the last 30 or so days. And this is the 30-day rainfall or deficit, how many percentage points we are ahead of normal and how many percentage points we are below normal. And this is what we come up with. If you are in the yellow or orange, you are below normal for the monthly rainfall in the month of May. But if you're in the green, a lot of deep East Texas is in the green because we saw quite a bit of rain early in the month. Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Henderson, Carthage, all in that green area, you were well above normal for that rainfall. And that's what we mean by those hit and miss showers and thunderstorms, especially at this time of year. Unless we have a tropical system, we don't really see that widespread rain, but parts of the area do see those hit and miss showers and thunderstorms, and when it rains, it pours sometimes. Over the next 6 to 10 days, between June 6th and June 10th, afternoon storm chances are possible, and then we will see those temperatures about where they are right now, upper 80s, lower 90s with those lows in the 60s and 70s, and that's all featured on your 7-day right here. Pretty warm, but not as bad as it could be, as Casey just mentioned. 60s and 70s for those lows, upper 80s, lower 90s for those highs. I would say the best chance for both East Texas and deep East Texas, which I have for you up on the screen. Scattered showers and thunderstorms for the weekend look scattered at this point. Casey.
All right, we'll take it though, Carson.